I was given this cinnamon powder so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. I add cinnamon powder to my coffee every single day, and so I'm so excited to be able to take it to the next level because this is going to be so delicious and amazing. There's so many good things for me inside here. So I am really excited to be able to explore the benefits and add this to my coffee today. Let's give it a try.
I absolutely love the fine granular texture of the cinnamon. It's going to blend in really well. I love cinnamon in general, but this product in particular, I was impressed with just because it does have so many added benefits in that there's nothing added to it, no GMOs, and it's just going to be really great to be able to use in my coffee, but you can use it in baking and so many other different places. It has a ton of vitamin C and E. It's just going to be so great for skin and circulation. There's so many added benefits to this. So I absolutely recommend it if you are looking for something delicious that you can add to your coffee or to something that you are going to bake. It is really great for regulating those blood sugar levels and it tastes fantastic. So I definitely recommend this if you are looking to add some cinnamon to your coffee or to your baking goods. These are so great.